This is my Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the battery has been draining a little bit more than what I was expecting. So I can show you in the settings, the battery, for example, here it's at 42%, and you can see the battery usage. If you don't know how the battery was used, you can see by day and also by hour. So for example, here I could see that it was YouTube, actually it was being used, and then phone was charging and system apps. And sometimes I see system apps, like here it was using 100%. Yeah, here for example you see system apps using it during the night around 6 p.m, 2 p.m to 4 p.m, system apps 100%. It was draining slowly, so it wasn't much. System apps again, so maybe it's normal to have this. But if you feel like the battery is draining a little bit too fast than expected, you can use some settings in the battery settings here. So this is the settings app, and I'm in the battery and charging settings, and you can enable the battery saver if you wanted to, and also you have the option to enable adaptive battery. Under battery saver you can enable adaptive battery and the standard or high extra battery saver, and I can check the battery health. So the battery health is 100%. It's a new phone. And the most important, when the battery is draining faster than expected, use the battery diagnostics. And battery draining too quickly, phone is very warm, this is not good. If the battery is draining and the phone gets warm, it's a big deal. And other issues with charging. So battery draining too quickly, and all the settings are optimized. There is nothing to change. And you can also change the limit. If you want to have more battery, you can enable adaptive battery, so it will charge to 100% just before you finish charging. For example, in the morning before you wake up, it will learn your routine. I'll leave it for 80%. Also, another thing to check, which is, I believe it's important, is you go to the system settings and then software update, and here make sure that your Google Pixel Android phone is updated to the latest version. This is Android 17 and it's the latest version. And also check for updates for apps. So there are 4 apps that need to be updated. I will update those also. And also make sure you check for the Google Play system updates. So it's going to need a restart. Here I might want to wait until the apps are updated. Okay, you actually don't have to wait, you can simply do the restart now. The apps automatically update anyway. The apps are automatically updated, but for this one, for the Google Play system update, I have to do the restart now. Okay, now the Google Pixel Android phone is restarting. This is Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. Now the phone is started, and this is a temporary pin here. It's not my real pin. And then you want to check again, make sure that there are no more updates. Go to system again, system updates, go check for the Google Play system updates. Sometimes they come in a few waves. These updates, you might get them a few times, so that's how it works. And then you can use the battery usage section on your phone to check which apps are using the battery on your Android phone, on your Google Pixel Android phone. Like this, you can check which apps are using the battery on your Google Pixel Android phone, and if there is some app that is stuck, it's doing something too much work and draining the battery. If your Google Pixel Android phone gets really hot, like really warm, you can't hold your hand for more than 5-10 seconds on it while it's really not doing anything, then there must be something wrong with it, and also the battery health might not be good. then you might want to look into returning it to the shop. Maybe it is defective, but usually when it gets really hot, it's an app that it's draining the battery, and a simple restart could fix it. So you press the power button and volume up at the same time, you get the power menu and do a restart. This is usually, it fixes an app that is stuck. Thanks for watching. When you buy your phone, after the first setup of your Android phone, the phone in the background will do some things. The Android system will do some processing. After you do the initial setup of your Android phone, the system will do some processing in the background. So it's pretty normal for the first few days to have a bit of extra battery drain, but eventually the battery should be really stable. The most important thing is to make sure that when you're charging your phone, the phone doesn't get too hot. So if it gets hot while you charge it, unplug it and don't charge it, because there might be a problem, there might be an issue with the battery inside the phone. If your Google Pixel phone is charging normally and you see the battery level going up, then it's pretty normal. You will also see information about when the charging is finished. As long as the percentage goes up for the battery, then it's okay. If it's still not working, you might want to try to use the original charging cable provided and the charging power adapter if you had it. I didn't have it. Or you can try to change the cable, try to change the power adapter and see if that's better. This one is working, so you just have to plug it in and let it charge. Thanks for watching.